viewers, welcome back to our channel Low Point, and this is Anisha. Lok Adalat is an alternative dispute redressal mechanism outside the court. For speedy resolution of disputes coupled with reduced cost of litigation and avoiding further appeal, Lok Adalat is a perfect solution. In 2018 alone, about 47 lakh cases were disposed of in National Lok Adalats, which included about 21 lakh pending cases and 26 lakh pre-litigation cases, that is, cases not yet filed in the court. We have our Supreme Court of India's advocate on record, Ms. Praseena Elizabeth Joseph, to explain the concept of Lok Adalats in the country, their functioning and their role as an effective alternative in dispensation of justice. So let's watch.
Gandhiji said, "I realized that the true function of a lawyer was to unite parties riven asunder, that a large part of my time during the 20 years of my practice as a lawyer was occupied in bringing about private compromises of hundreds of cases. I lost nothing thereby, not even money, certainly not my soul." These were Gandhiji's words on the importance of alternative method of dispute redressal mechanism instead of fighting litigation before courts for years. Abraham Lincoln was of the opinion that instead of filing cases in courts and going for litigation, one must discourage it. Persuade your neighbors to compromise wherever they can. Point out to them how the eventual winner is often a real loser in terms of expenses and waste of time. The term Lok Adalat means people's court, and it is based on Gandhian principles. A Lok Adalat has jurisdiction to arrive at a compromise or settlement between disputing parties. It is mainly concerned with twofold functions. Firstly, it provides people a quick, easy, accessible, non-technical, sympathetic, and homely forum for resolution of their disputes. Secondly, it tackles the menace of what is known as docket explosion, that is, piling number of pending cases which become unmanageable for the regular courts to handle effectively. The credit of starting this system of Lok Adalat for the common man goes to Mr. Justice P.N. Bhagwati, the retired Chief Justice of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, on whose recommendation the first Lok Adalat in the state of Gujarat was organized by Legal Services Authority in the year 1982. This was followed by the states of Maharashtra, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Union Territory of Delhi, etc., which introduced Lok Adalat in rural as well as in urban areas. In view of its growing popularity, Lok Adalat was given statutory status under the Legal Services Authorities Act. Any case pending before any court, ranging from the trial court to the Supreme Court of India, can be referred to the Lok Adalat if parties agree to settle their dispute in Lok Adalat. Any dispute which has not been brought before any court and is likely to be filed before the court can also be referred to Lok Adalat on receipt of an application from any of the disputing parties. Matters such as matrimonial, family disputes, land acquisition cases, labor disputes, workmen's compensation, motor accident compensation, arrears of retirement benefits, criminal cases which are less serious in nature, which can be compromised, etc., are being taken up in Lok Adalat. It's important to note that Lok Adalat shall have no jurisdiction in respect of matters relating to divorce or matters relating to serious criminal offences which cannot be compromised, such as rape, robbery, murder, etc. The judgment passed by the Lok Adalat is deemed to be a decree of a civil court and is final and binding on all the parties to the dispute. No appeal against a Lok Adalat award lies before any court of law. In case the disputing parties fail to reach an agreement, the permanent Lok Adalat can decide the dispute on merits. There is no court fee payable when a matter is filed in a Lok Adalat. If a matter pending in the court of law is referred to Lok Adalat and is settled subsequently in Lok Adalat, the court fee originally paid in the court for the case is also refunded to the parties. This kind of refund is an incentive for parties to settle the case in Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat is a boon to the litigant public where they can get their disputes settled fast and free of cost. Lok Adalat consists of sitting or retired judges, social workers, and those who are interested in implementation of legal services or programs. These members are expected to assist the parties in an independent and impartial manner in their attempt to reach an amicable settlement of disputes. In addition to permanent Lok Adalat, there are national level Lok Adalat too, which are held at regular intervals, wherein on a single day, multiple Lok Adalats are held throughout the country in all the courts, right from the Supreme Court till the Taluk level, in which cases are disposed of in huge numbers. In Lok Adalat, there is procedural flexibility and speedy disposal of their disputes. There is no strict application of procedural laws while assessing the claim by the Lok Adalat. The disputing parties can directly interact with the judge through their counsel, which is not possible in regular courts of law. So, you can see, my dear audience, resolving disputes through Lok Adalat not only minimizes litigation expenditure but also saves valuable time of the parties and their witnesses, and also facilitates inexpensive and prompt remedy appropriately to the satisfaction of disputing parties. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.